What is going on, everybody? Sean here. It is July 29th or July 30th. I have no idea. Today is an interesting video. Today I'm trying my Cajun cutter. So my good friend Eric, the Cajun Blade, he got the Cajun cutter from SK Collins, Prosperine, I think it's called. SK Collins was starting to get a bunch of guys asking for that after Eric did the video, and I said, you know, Eric is really good friends with me, so I kind of want to be supportive and also have something to remember him by, because he's helped me out in this journey a lot, as well as a bunch of guys like Martin Test Shaves, Devin Jackson, Leon. You know, all those guys are great, have helped me out a bunch. So anyways, that's the backstory. But getting into the shave, 1 second. All right, so getting into the shaving gear. Today I'm using Ariana and Evans Plum Bliss. Ariana and Evans just does great soap all the time. I still have to keep using it. I like the scent. Not my favorite. That doesn't matter. Scents never matter. Eventually, I guess I'll do a review. There are some things I like, some things I don't like, compared to other brands. Anyways, we'll talk about that when I do a review of this, I guess. Review, whatever you want to call it. It's just my opinion, so it doesn't really matter. Today I'll be using my old original Badger brush from the Wolfix, and I was able to get this because Michael, Bamba Boy, I hope I'm saying this right, but when I'm reading I have problems reading, so I think I'm saying it right. Bamba Boy, he sent me a gift card and I was able to get my first ever Badger brush, and you know, I love all types of brushes, but I gotta say, the Badger brush is really relaxing on the face. It's like a massage. So if you have a day like I did today at work, you need to unwind with some of this, you know. I made the lather pretty thin. I'm liking it slick. I like it with a lot of water, and this Ariana and Evans can definitely hold water. I'm in my soap testing era. Gotta find what I like. That should be enough, guys. So, getting back to the razor, here is the razor. Supposedly a 7/8, but I have my Cataragus and that is a 7/8, and this is taller. So when you're buying an SK Collins 7/8 razor, this is really closer to 8/8. The scales on this are just beautiful, amazing. In my collection of razors, this by far the most beautiful scales. It has a barber's notch, which I like. If you're doing, if you're shaving with 2 hands, that possibly could be something that you use. The edge on this, it's shaved, but it was not, I did a pass. I might put the video of the first pass I did on this, but okay, but it was a caudicle. I set the bevel on the caudicle, and 1 stone hone, and the HHT with my significant other's hair was just crazy. Anyways, I'm talking too much. Am I even recording? Let me see. I'm recording. All right, first pass with the grain. About 2 to 3 days of growth. Cauticles, man. Eric has me hooked on them. Cauticles are like super comfortable, even on the first shave, but after that they even get even more comfortable, like any other stone. So for me, it was all about finding that keenness. I always used to say, and that's been recent, I always compared cauticles to, this is an 8K, this is an 8K. And I can see a lot of people have that sentiment. I don't think that anymore. I think the stone is a stone, and I think I was just not honing right with the cauticle. I shaved with a gold dollar with a convex cutty that I had, a convex cutty edge, and the cutting power feel on my face felt like a 12K, and that was also a 1 stone hone. I'm not sure if I recorded that shave. All right, guys. Across the grain. This is wicked. This shit is T-tall. I'm hanging out too much with Eric, and I don't know. Those Cajun warriors are getting a little bit too comfortable with them. Beautiful. Just clean up here a little bit, just a little bit. Let's try out this barber notch. absolutely wicked. Absolutely T-tall. Why did I nick myself there? Right there. I'm playing too much with that fool's pass, man. Yeah, I did. All right, that's whatever. Let's get this. You guys can get to see my my nose hairs. All right, guys, so I'm gonna wash my face and we'll finish off with the Aquavelva Ice Blue. All right, guys, and we are back. Yeah, I nicked myself there pretty good. So we're probably gonna get some sting there, but we're testing out where we get sting other than that. All right. Cauticle's edges is where it's at, man. Yeah, that one, it might stay with that caudicle edge, so. Or I might just play with the surgical black and because I have that stone to play around with, you know. I have the new caudicle, I have the new J-Nat, I have the new surgical black, so I got a bunch of toys at my disposal right now. I'm a happy guy. Anyways, guys. Oh, I might try this in the future. This is Old Spice Original. I've never tried Old Spice, so I want to try it. What do you guys think? Have you guys tried it before? I always read and reply to all your comments, so make sure you leave one in the comment section below and let's just get chatting. All right, there it is. One last look at the Cajun cutter, inspired by my good friend Eric the Cajun Blade. So kind of, this is closer to 8/8 than 7/8, so kind of my first 8/8 razor shave. What did you guys think? How did I do? I know I messed up with the fool's pass, and it is a fool's pass, and I'm the living proof of it, so there you go.